This is Realme GT Neo 3T, and today I would like to demonstrate that you can set the screen timeout value to never on this device. Well, to begin with, I will let you know that in order to do that, or in order to achieve the aforementioned goal, I'm going to be using the free Play Store app that is called Caffeine. So let me quickly download it. So open up the Play Store on your device. Then type in the Caffeine query, exactly like so. That is the app that we were looking for, so let's just go ahead and quickly download it. Now we can go ahead and launch the app. And in here, just make sure that the timeout value is infinite. And as long as you do not close the app and it stays active in the background, your screen will not go to sleep automatically at all, no matter how much time it will be in idle status. Alrighty, so that would be it. Thanks for watching, thanks for your attention, and bye-bye.